The best homemade bread recipe is simple, soft, and very delicious. I will start by putting 250 milliliters of milk, 10 grams of yeast, and 3 tablespoons of sugar in a container, and I will stir. Then I will add 200 grams of heavy cream and stir once again. Then a teaspoon of salt and 300 grams of wheat flour in the mixture, but I will put gradually, so that it is easier to mix everything. So I'll put half, and after mixing well, I'll put the other half. Now I will stir well with the help of a spatula until it becomes a mass, then with hands. My friends always ask me to teach how to do it, so amazing that is the result. Then I will remove the dough from the container, add a little flour inside so as not to stick, and finally, I will cover the dough with a cloth and let it rest for an hour. Past the time looks as our dough has grown, now I will remove from the container. This recipe is amazing, it will surprise you. Then put some flour on a surface to not stick, and I will roll the dough this way. Now I will cut the dough into pieces, and then roll up the cut pieces. Tell me if you have any differentiated recipe for bread, I would love to know. Once this is done, I will transfer to a pan greased with butter and flour, placing one next to the other. You will see how amazing it will be. Has become one of my favorite recipes since I first tried it. Now I will cover with a cloth again, and I will let rest for another 30 minutes. In the meantime, I will add an egg yolk and olive oil to taste in a container and stir. We will use to brush later on the recipe. After the time I will make cuts on the surface of the dough, this way, and then I will brush the mixture I made. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Tracy Lee Smith from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now I'm going to oven in 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. This recipe is amazing. The best is that you can eat with whatever you want. I'll put some butter. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.